Hey everyone, today I will be fitting the Fortman Beta rock sliders to the Ford Ranger Raptor. But first we have to take the original side steps off. You can see they've had a bit of a bashing. So you have three brackets on each side attached to the sills that you got to get off first. Number one is off. I think I better wash underneath. The originals are off. Fortman Beta Rockslider installation. Some of these bits on here look a bit difficult when you look at the instructions, but actually the installation's not that bad. So this piece goes in the chassis like that. So all I'm going to do is slide it in so far till I can see, and then put that spoke up in there just to stop it from disappearing somewhere I don't want it to go. Okay, our hole is lined up. Just put a bolt in there quick to stop it from, and then I should have put the washers on like that first. This assembly goes through the chassis through this hole from the other side. I just remove nut and washers. There's a bit more room to play with on this side, I think. No, there's not. Right. I found it easier to push the bolt through, plate first, bolt through, and then slide that from this side. Much easier to do. There are some cables on the inside of the chassis there, so just watch you don't catch them with the plate. Good to go. Right, move on to the next one. This huge U-bolt goes around the chassis approximately 460 millimeters away from this rear bolt, which is about here. Okay, so we've got a load of cables and stuff in the way. I don't know if that's gonna work. We may have to move a few things here. This part looks a bit awkward, but it's surprisingly easy actually. So I've just tried this nut on here first. Once you get it in, put the nut on so you don't lose it. This next piece is a bit fiddly. Looks worse than it actually is. There we go. It was that easy. Right, let's just put a nut on there. Again, so we don't lose it. Et voila! Fortman Beta rock sliders. and the scratches on there are from my shed floor. No doubt there'll be more scratch than that by the weekend.